Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to zoom back to your lost drawing in AutoCAD. One of the most common beginner problems in AutoCAD is suddenly losing the drawing on the screen. This usually happens after accidental zooming, panning too far away, importing objects at incorrect coordinates, or working with geometry located far from the visible workspace. In most cases, the drawing is not deleted at all. It's simply outside the current view. Usually, the drawing is still present. The issue is typically related to view navigation, zoom scale, object location, and coordinate distance. Important clarification: losing sight of a drawing does not usually mean the file is corrupted or deleted. Most of the time, the camera view moved away from the geometry. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open the drawing where the geometry appears missing. Go to the command line. The command line allows you to execute navigation commands, control views, modify geometry, and access drafting tools quickly. Type zoom, then press enter. The zoom command controls magnification, viewing area, navigation scale, and drawing visibility. From the zoom option, select all. What zoom all actually means: zoom all adjusts the view to display the entire drawing area and existing geometry inside the drawing limits. What happens next? AutoCAD automatically adjusts the screen view to include the drawing objects that were previously outside the visible workspace. Result: your lost drawing becomes visible again. Why this works? The drawing was still located somewhere in the coordinate space. Zoom all simply repositions the camera view so the geometry becomes visible again. Important clarification: zoom all changes the viewport view, not the actual drawing geometry. What you just did, you reset the drawing view, recentered the visible workspace, located hidden geometry, and restored navigation visibility. You recovered the viewing position rather than repairing the drawing itself. Why drawings become lost? This commonly happens because of excessive zooming, accidental panning, imported geometry far from origin, incorrect coordinates, and scrolling too aggressively. Why geometry can appear invisible? Sometimes objects are extremely far away, very tiny relative to the current zoom, located outside the visible viewport. How zoom all helps: it automatically recalculates the visible viewing area to include the drawing contents. To summarize, zooming back to a lost drawing in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and going to the command line. Typing zoom and pressing enter activates the zoom command options. Selecting the all option causes AutoCAD to automatically adjust the viewing area so that the drawing geometry becomes visible again within the workspace. This restores visibility to drawings that appeared lost due to navigation or zooming issues, without modifying the actual geometry itself. And that's how to zoom back to your lost drawing in AutoCAD. The key thing to understand is that most missing drawing situations are actually navigation problems rather than file problems. Once you understand how AutoCAD's viewing system works, recovering drawings becomes very quick and straightforward. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.